I am going to my friend's house and we're going to go thrift shopping. So I decided, let me just do a really cool thrift video that I always see on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe down below if you're not already. And if you like these kinds of videos, I've never been thrift shopping. This is my first time. So we'll just see together if we like it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And I'll see you guys when we get to the thrift store. Yeah, okay. I have to go close the garage. Bye. Bye. Let's go to her house. Okay. My hair's a mess too. Let me text her. Put my jams on, cause, you know, I love my jams. Ew. Yes. Okay, it's a little tad bit loud. Oh my god, I decided I'm gonna do this prank. Oh my god, this is my favorite song. I should do a drive with me.
Hello, hello, I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I hope that you'll listen to me, cause it makes me feel young. Won't you help me sober up? Growing up, it made me think drunk, and I wanna be
Footage I can get. Ugh. Literally love this place. Oh shit, oh wow. Hi. I'm gonna get you in the shot. Say hey!
Even though it looks like a toe. But sure, it's only going to get this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not like the worst thing regardless of
Ew, what is that?
It looks cute on my finger. Wait, I really like that.
I don't know if I want to spend 20 bucks on it. But
Yeah, that's cute. Oh my god.
Ew, these tags are
Wait, I like this.
Dang.
Are you trying to get out of the jacket?
I can't even zip this up.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I like this.
I don't really think I can make it like a mom.
Oh my god, I can't go. What size did you get? Oh my god. Oh. Wait for it. Wait for mine. It's so. Okay. Let me go back in.
Don't get me with my.
I'm not. I'm getting the building. Ooh, what's this?
I want to bring your card over here a little more.
$60 purse? 60?
6.
Oh. Okay, so I just got back from my little shopping thing. I'm gonna do a mini haul basically. So before I do the thrift store haul, I want to show you what I got from Aeropostale because I just went to the mall and got this really cute like jumpsuit because for some reason I've been obsessed with jumpsuits lately. Don't know why, but yeah. Anyway, it's really cute. I like the print and everything, and it has little waffles at the end. Oh my god. But yeah, I think this would be really cute with like a black shirt maybe underneath. I don't know, or a jean jacket, but it's too hot for that. So I got this. Let me show you what I got. basically, I got this flannel. I think it's really cute. It's like oversized and really nice. And literally the rest of the stuff, I literally got 3 things. This is my first time thrift shopping, but I got 3 things. Then I got this t-shirt. It's really comfy, and I like the material. It's like that old vintage kind of material. That's even a thing. I don't know, but it's really cute. It's blue, and it has some thing at the end, an elephant. Project Health, Peer Health Education. I don't know. And then we went to this really cute area, like the first store we went to. They packed it up for me in this jean thing. And then I got another t-shirt. Cause yeah, I love t-shirts. And it's that same material, and it's pink, and I really like this one. It's hot. Oh my god, it says Whitewater Express. I'm on a river time 1980. Oh my god. But yeah, I really like the color. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do a try on haul because that's like 3 things, but yeah. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for new videos every week. Well, I try to every week. And yeah, and if you like this thrifting video, be sure to let me know so I could do another one. If you guys like it, comment down below. What is your favorite place to shop at? Mine is H&M, actually. I love H&M. I have to go wash this stuff now. Like, I don't know who used it. I don't ever thrift shop, but you know. First things for everything. But yeah, if you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! To love again.